DC Blue Advanced eComms module and selecting lock modes in the settings. The same relay module is used in the Pico, the Advanced, the High Speed and the DC Blue Advanced roll-up. To select a lock mode, we press and hold set until we enter program mode. We'll then press up until you see that icon. Okay, 0 is the default setting, means lock modes are off. 1 is strike lock mode. 2 is mag lock mode. Mag lock mode will also be used to activate a light in the eComms module. Okay, we'll now select mag lock mode. We're back into program, we can now exit. The eComms module has 5 different modes. 1 flash is strike lock mode, 2 flashes magnetic lock mode, 3 flashes RX mode, 4 flashes courtesy light mode, and 5 flashes alarm mode. We will be using courtesy light mode as an example. To connect the eComms module, you will make use of positive and negative, which you can draw power from the DC Blue Advanced, and our data positive, which will go to data out on the eComms module. To select a mode, we will take our little jumper and place it across the 2 pins. Okay, we'll count 4 flashes, which is courtesy light mode. 4, remove the jumper. It will confirm 4 flashes, which is courtesy light mode. Please take note, if connecting a 220 volt light, ensure it is done by a qualified electrician. We take our remote, which is coded into the light function. The eComms module will now duplicate what's done on the DC Blue Advanced. We can now use it to switch the light on and off, or when we run the machine, the courtesy light will come on.